Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can make at least $5,000 without knowing video editing. Crazy, isn't it? So stay tuned till the end. So as a freelancer, I have been offering video editing services, and for me, learning these big fancy tools didn't make any sense to me. So what I do is I really just go and hire people who know video editing, and then I offer this service to them, to my clients. But the only problem is video editors charge bomb. Like they're really expensive. So for one or two videos they can charge anywhere around $1,000 to $2,000, and if you want to hire someone, it can cost you a lot. So here is a method where you can offer this particular video editing service without even knowing video editing and without even getting to hire someone. So the tool is called InVideo. Now this particular tool, basically you just need to know the script of what you are going to say in the video or what you want to have to show in the video, and then basically you'll need to feed it in that particular tool, and then it'll generate the whole video for you. Isn't it crazy and amazing at the same time? So let me show you how you can use this tool. So here I'm on InVideo dashboard, and here you can see I have logged in, and here the AI tool will help me make a complete video with its own script. So here you can see the video is loading. So till it loads, it'll take like a couple of minutes to load, and here you go. Here you have the video. You can even do the settings and then click on generate video. So after a few minutes, it'll generate like a whole video for you with stock images and stock videos with a complete voiceover. So some of the videos might be like paid premium videos. So while creating the video, there will be a setting where you can create videos with free stock footage, and you can set that on so you don't pay for anything. But if you want the free trial of InVideo, then definitely go check out the link in the description box, and yeah, you'll get the free trial. Now here is the second tutorial that I want to show you. Here I've written create a YouTube short about healthy benefits of almonds. Use voice with a New York accent. Add subtitles for the video. Don't use iStock. So here you can see it has basically click on continue, and then it'll generate a video for you. So here you'll see there is a complete video with voiceover and along with captions ready for you, readily edited, so you can directly go ahead and upload it. So these can be super helpful for like people who do not want to show their face online. And I'll talk more about this at the end of the video, where you can open your own YouTube channel and start making money with this kind of videos. Now if you want a free trial of this tool, make sure to click the link in the description box. You can get a free trial of this tool instantly once you click on the description box link. Coming on to how you can offer this particular services. Now the first way is offering restaurants and local restaurants that are around you. Just try to find their emails and just pitch them, or try to find their addresses, or try to set up a meeting with them and tell them that I can create so and so videos for your local restaurant, and then a whole video will be ready for you, and you can easily earn up to like $1,000 per video. The very second way to make money is you can go on Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. Now on Fiverr.com also you can see there are many people offering video editing services. So you need to be a little different in order to offer this particular service. So there might be people who are offering video editing service for YouTubers. Now you need to be specific enough that what kind of niche that you are targeting. So like I said, you want to offer edited videos for local restaurants, right? So you can go on these websites and try to offer these video editing services for specific niche. Like I told you, like local restaurants, or you can even target real estate agents, people who actually have the money to pay you. Only then they will be able to pay the amount that you are charging that
service for. So the last and my favorite way to make money online is by opening a YouTube cash cow channel. Now what do I mean by cash cow channel? Now if you are someone who do not want to show your face on YouTube, do not want to make talking videos like these, you can also create videos within video and then basically upload them on YouTube. So for example, if I'm creating health and nutrition videos, which are like basic educational content, how to lose weight, 10 tips to lose weight, and basically you add like a complete script in video and it will pop up a good nice video for you. This will not only be so high quality, but also like try to make content around what people are searching for on YouTube, and trust me, after like 10 to 15 videos you will start seeing a lot of attraction on your YouTube channel. So once your channel is basically monetized, and then you can start making money with YouTube as well, but this takes a little bit of time to earn money.
So here you can see there is a cash cow channel called as Mr. Luxury, and they basically create generalized videos with stock photos and voiceover with them. The most expensive things in the world. Elon Musk plan to take over the world. The second channel is Practical Wisdom, Interesting Ideas. This is basically a finance channel and they teach you how to make money. And so you can see most of the videos are like sketch videos that do not require your face to be seen. Again, you can create these videos in InVideo app or tool that I showed you before. Even here there is celebrity gossip videos and like top 20 greatest 80s songs. So you can see you can create such cash cow channels without even showing face and earn easily up to $10,000 a month.
If you like this video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now don't worry, the SMM bundle is still available for you. It is on a discounted price, so if you are a social media manager or a beginner in freelancing, this bundle is perfect for you. Just click the link in the description box and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.